Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a copyright registration with copyright.gov step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in copyright.gov in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the Copyright Office website. Once the site loads, look for the Register tab in the top menu. Click on the Register tab to access the registration options. You will be directed to a page that outlines different types of works you can register. Choose the category that best fits your work, such as literary, musical, or visual arts. After selecting the category, click on the link that corresponds to your choice. This will take you to a page with specific instructions for registering that type of work. Read through the provided information carefully to ensure you understand the requirements. Next, look for the online registration option, commonly referred to as ECO. Click on the ECO link to start the online registration process. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, create a new account by clicking on the new user link. Fill out the needed information to establish your account. After creating your account, log in to access the online registration form. Once logged in, select Start a new registration to begin. You will be prompted to fill out details about your work, including the title and type. Provide all required information accurately in each field. If applicable, indicate whether your work has been published or is unpublished. Follow the prompts to provide creator information about yourself and any other contributors. Once you have entered all necessary information, review your responses for accuracy. After verifying the details, proceed to the payment section. Choose your payment method and enter your payment information. Confirm your payment to complete the registration process. After payment, you will receive a confirmation of your registration submission via email. Keep this confirmation for your records as proof of your copyright registration. Congratulations, you have successfully submitted your copyright registration with copyright.gov. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.